Hey, it's AKAJK and welcome back to another Season 2 vlog on the channel. I'm in my editing desk, just finished a coffee, editing this World Scholars Cup vlog which you're watching right now. Realised none of this is going to make sense without any content. Because it's just a bunch of clips without any narrative, no story. Also, I don't want to keep using text to sort of fill in the gaps, so I'm going to fill in the gaps right here, right now. Okay, I don't look orange anymore. So, first, apart from all the breakfast jazz and waking up, we went to the usual place where we have our Scholars Cup events and watched a few hours long of talent show. Now, I tend to hate watching these kind of events, and yeah, it wasn't too entertaining. There were a few good acts. Yeah, there were also a few not so good acts.
You ready? Alright, scholars, give it up for Elaine!
The only thing that kept me going was the thought in the back of my head that we could make it to Yale. It was small though. Let's skip to right here where AKAJK is getting his tie done because she's kind of noobish.
So that's a mince.
Mr. Long ends up choking AKAJK. At one point he just gets so involved.
That was after the talent show, after we had the pretty crappy lunch. We went to the ending ceremony. And it was exciting. The entire day I spent sort of making jokes about how no one's going to get through and how I'm going to get like one medal, if that. So clearly you can see that there was no hope. But I still had a little bit, you know, I was still hoping.
Carrying the flag of one of the most beautiful countries in the world, from Norway, it is Alga Sentsova. Joining us from Oman, it is Praria Mishra.
Thanks for ruining the video, Yusuf.
Representing the great country of Pakistan. And scholars, as per tradition,
Then a few medals started to get coming through, and you know, the hope sort of started to increase.
Look at them medals, boy.
When you're seeing the other kids with like 10 medals and you're like 4, then the hope just goes down. So I was sat there and I had like a really small amount of medals in comparison to everyone else. And I was just really just down. But then it started to go up. Like, yep, up. And I started to get excited.
I am on fire!
Then we were told that they're going to announce the people that are going to qualify to Yale. And so I got more excited. And then they ruined that with like a 15-minute speech about the people who sort of organized the thing and congratulating them. So I was just like...
No, God! Oh, God! please, no! No!
But then the excitement came back. They started going through them. And guess what? Yeah, that kind of concludes this journey. We have qualified to Yale. I'm really glad and happy. And obviously now I've got to work even harder so I can boost the scores. And we can get good scores in Yale. Now that's it. I do hope you enjoyed this vlog. If you did, go ahead and leave a like down below. If you didn't, you can hit the dislike button twice. Comment down below if you did enjoy this video. Any further video ideas. Malaysia vlogs are over. Thank you guys for Malaysia vlogs are over. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for watching. And I hope I'll see you again in tomorrow's episode, because here at AKAJK, the grind is daily, is daily, is daily, is daily, is daily, is daily, is daily.